Hi, welcome to the Creators Compendium. I'm JD. Today I'll be showing you how to create animated videos using Adobe Express. These animations are great for explainer videos, animated vodcasts, or cartoon creation. And the best part, it won't cost you anything. In this video, I will break down how I put together this animated vodcast, complete with B-roll footage. You can create the same style of animated video using any video editing software, but I have used CapCut in this instance. I have broken the video into chapters if you want to skip to a particular section. The first thing I will do is create my background image. I use ChatGPT to create a prompt, which I can use in an AI image generator app. I use Leonardo AI. The prompt allows me to generate the image, and I can tweak the prompt and regenerate until I find an image I like. I have chosen this image, which I then download. Next, I get ChatGPT to create my script. I cut and paste the dialogue for each character into a voiceover app. Here I use ElevenLabs, but there are many free voiceover apps to choose from. I select the voice I want and generate the voiceover.
They say Adolf Hitler died in a Berlin bunker in 1945.
I click Download. With the audio downloaded, I then open Adobe Express. This is a free app. Click on Animate Character and select the character you want. Make sure the background to the character is green. We will remove the background in CapCut. Once your character has been selected, click on the Browse button and select your audio file. Audio files must be less than 2 minutes, so you decide how you want to process longer videos. You can record a full-length audio clip and break it into smaller clips, or just produce short audio clips one at a time.
They say Adolf Hitler died in a Berlin bunker in 1945. Gunshot.
It's important to record a few seconds of blank audio for when your character pauses or is listening to another character. This will still allow them to blink and have some movement, without their lips moving. To do this, click the Record button but don't speak into the microphone. Download the clip. Repeat this process for any other characters. Now I gather my B-roll images and footage. I search the internet, making sure I have usage rights and get the information I need to attribute authorship. Now I am ready to start putting the video together. After importing all my media files into CapCut, I drop the background image onto the track. I also add the clips of each of my characters, making sure that when one character is speaking, I use the silent clip for the other character. I can simply copy and paste the clip and adjust the length as required. The reason I put all the clips together on the track first is so that I can select all the clips for one character and combine them. I right-click on the selected clips and choose to Create Compound Clip. Now when I go to adjust the scale and position, it will be consistent throughout the video. If I did this for each image separately, it would take a very long time. I remove the green background by clicking on the Background tab and selecting Chrome key. Click on the background and it will remove it. Notice that the owl has a shadow underneath. I remove this by using the pen mask tool and tracing around the part of the image I want to keep. It's easier to do this by enlarging the scale and then rescaling after applying the mask. Again, if you had to do this for each clip separately, it would take forever. Make sure with the pen mask that you leave enough room for any animation. If you trace too close to the edge of the character, you might mask some of their movement.
Sounds like conspiracy nonsense.
Finally, drop any B-roll images or footage onto the track, above the characters.
In petrol and set on fire in the garden outside. A last attempt to deny the Allies the satisfaction of displaying his corpse.
And there you have it. That's how to use Adobe Express character animation to create fun and easy animated videos. Great for vodcasts, short cartoons, or even explainer videos. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. I'm JD, and I'll see you next time on the Creators Compendium.